As Orlando Pirates gear up for a crucial Premier Soccer League clash against Sekhukhune United on Wednesday, head coach Jose Rivero continues to reinforce his reputation as a mentor unafraid to entrust youth with responsibility. With Saturday's highly anticipated Soweto derby against Kaizer Chiefs looming, Rivero has once again turned to fresh legs and fearless talent. Among those catching the eye at training are three promising prospectors: Simphiwe Silepe, Samran Danson, and newly signed 17-year-old Sibusiso Tau. The trio, drawn from the club's reserve ranks, was spotted in a training session with the senior squad, a clear indication that Rivero is considering his options beyond the usual names. Danson, the captain of the reserve side, has shown maturity beyond his years, while his teammate Silepe continues to impress with consistent performances. Tau, signed from Emalahleni United in Mpumalanga, is already making waves in his new environment, further underlining Pirates' strategic investment in youth. Rivero's philosophy has already borne fruit. The likes of Relobehile Mofokeng, Mohau Nkotsa, and Mbegezeli Mpokazi have not only broken into the first team, but have become integral to Pirates' push for silverware. With a reputation for bold decision-making, Rivero has stood firm against pressure to rely solely on experienced players, instead nurturing raw talent and rewarding potential. As the season nears its climax, the Buccaneers remain within striking distance of league leaders Mamelodi Sundowns. To clinch the title, Pirates will need to capitalize on any slip-ups from the reigning champions, and a deep, dynamic squad could prove crucial in the final stretch. Regardless of the title race outcome, Rivero's legacy at Pirates appears secure. As he's leaving, he will be remembered not only for his tactical acumen, but for his courage in giving youth players the platform to shine. Whether the next coach will continue this youth-first approach remains uncertain. But for now, Orlando Pirates fans can look forward to a squad brimming with energy, ambition, and the unshakable belief instilled by a manager who dared to trust the future. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.